Hello everyone. On the previous class, we all saw about the lesson hobby. Yeah, I hope you all remember about the money's hobby. Yeah, what is the hobby of money? He loves to write. And what is the another character in section 2? His Ajay. And his hobbies? Yeah, of course, painting, especially the miniature painting. Yeah, and now we are going to see about the hobby of Ilavalagi. Okay, let me see. The hardworking and the passionate people always chase their dream and live it. Yeah, the hardworking person who work hard and who have the passion, they always chase their dream to fulfill that wish. Okay, and live through that. Ilavalaki is one among the many to achieve their dream amidst all odds. Yeah, through all odd things, Ilavalaki is one of the person who is like this hardworking and passionate people, and she is ready to achieve her dream. Okay, through all the odd things, through all the bad things. A Erudayaraj, her father, was a district level champion in Carom. His dream shattered since his family did not encourage and support him. Yeah, who's her father? Erudayaraj, yeah. And her father was a district level champion. Okay, in Carom he is a district level champion, but his dream not get fulfilled, shattered, not get fulfilled because his family did not encourage him and support him. Yes, and he was determined to achieve his dream through her daughter. He wished to fulfill his dream with her daughter through her daughter. Okay, he used to put her daughter on the carom board while she listened to sounds of strikers and coins. Okay, he always used her to play with the carom board and used to made her to listen the sounds of strikers and the coins. When she was 2 years old, he would carry her with him to the tournaments he played with friends at local clubs. Yeah, at the age of two of Ilavalagi, her father always used her to carry to the tournaments where he and his friends used to play in the local club. Yeah, her father began coaching her when she was around 5. When she became 5, her father started to coach her. Coach means teach her. One day, her father called for a match and she won that match, which gave her confidence. Okay, one day her father approached her to join in a match, okay, to participate in a match, and she won that. That is the great thing which gave her the confidence. The confidence led her to win. Her victories included the Asia Cup and SAARC Cup and the World Championship. That confidence level took her to the next level. Okay, took her to the win. Her victories included she also won the Asia Cup, SAARC Cup, SAARC Cup, the World Championship. Okay, Iruday Raj, a fish cart driver who transports material like pipes to make a living for his family, a wife and 3 daughters. Yeah, Iruday Raj is used to transport the materials like pipes through he's a fish cart driver, he's a car driver, cart. Okay, he used to transport the pipes. Okay, to make his lives with his life with his family, wife and his 3 daughters. Yeah, they have lived in a small one-room apartment in Vyasarpadi, Chennai. Is not enough to accommodate the family. Yeah, of course. Actually, they lived in the small one-room apartment. There's only one room, and there's a small house in Vyasarpadi. It's in Chennai. Okay, and of course, in his family there are 5 members. He and his wife and the 3 daughters. They all used to live in the small one-room apartment. So that is not enough to accommodate the whole family to stay. Can't able to stay okay, with those much of members. The trophies she has won over the years are too many, and her home is just not big enough to keep them. She won a lot of trophy, and even their house was not have enough space to keep those trophies in their house. The trophies left over after filling the space under the bed were given to the neighbors and relatives. Yeah, they just use the trophies to they just use it to fill the gap under the bed or space under the bed using those trophies, and they also use it to give those to the neighbors and also the relatives to keep it their house. Financing the trips has always been a big trouble. Yeah, though she has been playing for the state for almost 14 years, still she says victories follow me. She, they are low in their financial status, but she has been playing nearly for 14 years through all the states. Okay, after all these victories, she's just saying that victories follow me. Okay, she always used it to get the victories. Yeah. Ilavalagi is a member of the Thiruvallur District Carom Association and also represented India at the Carom World Championships, Asian Championships. She became the member of the Thiruvallur District Carom Association, okay, and also used to represent India at the Carom World Championships and Asian Championships. Yeah. Let me see some of her achievements. Okay, achievements of her the Ilavalagi. Sorry, 5th World Carom Champion, 2018 France. There is a competition in the France at 2008. She won the 5th World Carom Champion. Yeah. Women's singles title at the 38th Senior National Carom Championships in Visakhapatnam 2009. Of course, she won at the women's singles, okay, women's singles title in the year of 2009 at Visakhapatnam. Women's singles title in the 38th Senior National she got, okay, and also in the 37th National Carom Championship. It is held in the Chennai at 2008. 13th SAR Carom Championships Women's Double with Rashmi Kumari in 2009. In the 13th SAARC Carom Championship, it's a women's doubles. Okay, she played with Rashmi Kumari and also won the 2-time SAARC Carom Championship women's singles title in 2009. She won the title of the women's single for SAARC Carom Championship 2 times in 2009. World Cup winner in 2006. Yeah, she's a World Cup winner in the year of 2006, and the next was the 2010 championships in the US, where she secured the first place in singles and doubles. In 2010, the championship competition was held in US, and there she won the first place. There she secured the first place even in the singles and also in the doubles. She holds 260 medals. How many medals? 260 medals, in that out of which 106 are gold. In 260, 106 are gold, 17 are silver, and the 12 are bronze medals won in national competition. Those were won in the national competition. She has won 111 gold, okay, 111 gold, 9 and 5 bronze medals in international tournaments. In national competition, she got 260 medals, and in international tournaments, she won gold, bronze, okay. And the next, her hobby of playing carom took her to the level of world champion. Yeah, of course, in the starting itself I told, we can't see that hobby as a hobby, okay, it's just a time pass. Some of them used that hobby and they took achievement in their life and also in the higher level, higher position in their life. Yeah, I hope you all understand the story, and I hope you also make your hobby or your aim to fulfill, okay. Thank you for your listening.